to all the traders and investors, and a very warm welcome to your own channel, Trading Guru. Today we are going to talk about the markets for 16th of April and also share 5 intraday stocks for 19th of April. So stay tuned. Sponsors for today's video is JBL surround sound speakers, and these are amazing earbuds. If you want to buy it, the link is in the description box. Do buy it from Amazon. Okay, so the markets were on the positives today. We can say that because 1017 advances and 682 declines. The top 5 gainers for the day was Wipro, Hindalco, Asian Paints, Ultra Cement and Cipla. As you can see on the list, we had Cipla as our intraday pick, and Wipro, which showed better results compared to Infosys and TCS, showed amazing buying and it was like 9% up. Hindalco, it was about 4.65% up. Asian Paints 2.94% up. Ultratech Cement, you can see 2.69% up. So the paint cement section, it is moving upwards, and you can see only Wipro making from the IT list to the top 5 gainers. Cipla has been constantly moving up and has been a top performer. Let's see who are the losers, top 5 losers. Top 5 losers for the day: JSW Steel lost about 1.5%, ICICI Bank surprisingly 1.43%, Larsen about 1.13%, Bajaj Finance about 0.94%, and Tata Steel about 0.89%. So the drops have not been heavy, which is a very positive sign for the coming days of the market. Talking about US market, live markets, if you see, Dow futures has hit its ever highest number, that was 34,120, and it has fallen down from there, a little correction. But the day looks really good on the charts, and you can expect it to go ahead and close about 34,000. If it does close about 34,000, then it's a very positive sign on the Indian markets, which is going to go ahead and take the markets on a bullish zone for sure. SGX Nifty, a lot of ups and downs can be seen right there. In the second session, once the US market did open, it went up again after the sharp decline after the 3:30 timings. So it is again a positive sign that the Indian markets have started reacting again to the US markets. Talking about Nifty 50 on 15 minutes chart, if you see, it has started, it went up, and then again there was some profit booking. And since it was a Friday, you would not want to go ahead and take your trades forward, so a lot of people booked profits and just exited the market. So that was the entire story. Good thing about the market, it is still trading on 15 minutes chart above the red and the blue line. So that is 50 and 100 moving average, and the 200 moving average has been flat, and it just happened to close below the 200 moving average. Talking about Nifty on 1 day chart, a heavy sell-off came up when it moved above this 15 and 50 moving average. That's exponential moving average, if you see right here, and that's not a very good sign for us, because if you see, a lot of times when such candle has formed, the market has actually gone down on the next day. If you see similar kind of a candle here, and it went down. So it will be interesting to see if Nifty takes support at this levels and move upwards, because anything about this green line that is fixed about 14,750 will be bullish for Nifty. Talking about Banknifty, again a day which was, you can consider it to be a sideways day. There was not much of a movement. Again, a very good support at that red line, which is a 50 moving average, and the blue line, which is a 100 moving average. So that looks like a constant support levels for Nifty across the day. And at the upwards, again, a lot of attempts were made to cross that 200 moving average on 15-minute chart, but ultimately it was not able to go ahead and cross that level. Talking about Nifty, Bank on 1 day chart again saw a major sell off again at that 100 moving average, which is the blue line. I feel that it is strong enough to go ahead, and if it is strong enough to hold above the 50 moving average, that is 33,420, we can expect a positive move towards this 35,000 level as well. But for that to happen, India needs a lot of positive news, which is not happening at the moment. If you know, yesterday Delhi reported the highest number of COVID cases in 1 day, and you must have seen a lot of WhatsApp videos being shared about a big major crisis, medical crisis happening in India at the moment. The government is giving their best towards resolving this issue and giving as much medical facility available to the Indian population. But again, at the end of the day, even they are humans and they will have to go through a lot of emotions as well. So be cautious about this on the markets and also with at your personal level, because it's really important that you take care of yourself and your family as well. So let's go to the intraday charts and see what's happening there on our picks. Okay, so these were the stocks that we had given for intraday on 16th, that's today. If you see, 3 stocks out of 5 did hit our target on the buy side, that's Cipla, UPL and ITC. And Adani Ports, at the beginning of the day, it did touch this 754.4 and then it sold up and it touched the stop loss of 750.60. No stock had a trigger price on the sell side. So let's talk about the 5 intraday stocks, the easy money stocks for the 19th of April. Do remember that this has a 76% hit ratio. That's what we are carrying on these stocks at the moment for April. So on your screen right now, not many changes on the list. 5 stocks for 19th of April. Cipla, you can buy about 944.25 and sell below 922. JSW Steel, you can buy about 635.85 and sell below 616.56. UPL, you can buy about 618.8 and sell below 609.15. HDFC Bank, you can buy about 1445.6 and sell below 142590. You do have to go ahead and also make a note that HDFC Bank will be declaring their results in this weekend. I reckon it's tomorrow. So be cautious. We understand that HDFC Bank has not flown that high as per the trend that we have seen in the past, and it can shoot up towards that 1550 levels as well. Wipro, you can buy above 473.65 and sell below 464.8. We expect some profit booking to happen in Wipro, so you can expect it to go ahead and hit the sell side targets on the higher side, and HDFC Bank to hit the buy side targets on the higher side. So that is it. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. Do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends, family and colleagues so that they learn about stock market and beat inflation with you.